This is the Brayton Cycle Interactive Calculator, which analyzes gas turbine thermodynamic cycles for power generation and propulsion systems. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu: ideal cycle complete analysis, real cycle with efficiencies, and backwork ratio and net power. It also includes optimized pressure ratio for max work, cycle with regeneration, and intercooling and reheat analysis. For this demonstration, I'm using the ideal cycle complete analysis mode. The input fields are ambient temperature T1 in Kelvin, turbine inlet temperature T3 in Kelvin, pressure ratio Rp, and specific heat ratio gamma. Let's work through an example using these test values. Ambient temperature T1 equals 288 Kelvin, turbine inlet temperature T3 equals 1400 Kelvin, pressure ratio equals 12, and specific heat ratio gamma equals 1.4. After clicking Calculate, the system computes the complete thermodynamic state points throughout the cycle. The outputs show temperatures and pressures at each stage, the compressor work input, and the turbine work output. The system also provides net work produced, heat addition in the combustor, and the overall thermal efficiency. These results help engineers evaluate cycle performance and optimize their gas turbine designs. Find the link in the description below.